If you are in Indian IT, this might be the most important story you will hear today. More than 300 senior executives have exited TCS in just 8 months. Well, and these are not freshers, not junior employees, senior leaders. These are vice presidents, senior vice presidents, principal consultants. And of course, this pushes senior attrition to around 16%. Historically, that number used to be just about, 4 to 5%. At the same time, TCS is also cutting around 12,000 jobs. This is its largest workforce reduction ever. And this is happening in a company that was once known for something very simple, which was lifetime employment. So what has changed? Two things have, and both are very significant. First, let's talk about AI. We have, of course, said this time and again here on front page. The entire IT services model was built on scale, which meant more people equals to more projects equals to more revenue. But AI completely dismantles that particular model, because now fewer people can do the same work. Testing, maintenance, documentation, even coding for that matter. AI is already handling a significant chunk of this work, which means you don't need layers anymore. And when you don't need layers, the first to go are the middle and senior layers. Second, trust and compensation. Senior leaders at TCS are reportedly getting less than 10% of their variable pay. Layoffs are happening, as we know. Structures are changing. And suddenly, the promise of stability is out of the window. So now when that happens, what do you think people do? They don't wait, they leave. And that's exactly what's happened. But here's, of course, the twist to the story. While TCS is cutting, its competitors are doing the opposite. Infosys is still hiring. In fact, it has already onboarded tens of thousands of employees and continues to double down on fresh talent and AI upskilling, which means the company is seeing over 20% efficiency gains through AI. And instead of replacing people, what does Infosys do? It is enhancing them, reskilling over 2.7 lakh employees across AI, cloud, and automation. Now, at the same time, Infosys is even offering salaries up to 21 lakh rupees per annum for specialized roles. That's a completely different approach. Now, of course, let's talk about Wipro, Tech Mahindra, and HCL. They also, by the way, are hiring. But when we look closely, these are not mass hiring waves. These are targeted roles, which include AI, cloud, cybersecurity, and data. But here's where it gets very intriguing. Because while TCS is cutting, it is also hiring, offering 9 lakh rupees per annum, 50,000 rupees for a joining bonus, fast-tracking onboarding. Why? Because the company doesn't need more people, it needs different people. People who can work with AI, not around it. And this is not just TCS, this is the entire Indian IT industry, by the way, ladies and gentlemen. As we know, for decades, this sector was India's biggest job engine. Mass hiring, campus offers, tens of thousands of jobs every year. What about now? That model, as I mentioned earlier, has broken down. Net hiring across top IT firms has almost flatlined, and the future is shifting towards something very different. Fewer people, higher skills, and more AI. And if you're ready for it, here is the front page take. This, I believe, is not just a TCS story. This is the beginning of a complete reset. And if I believe this, I would love to know what you believe. And please do let us know in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.